The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carbohydrate and high-fat diet that has been shown to help some people lose weight. Here is a basic keto diet plan for weight loss. Calculate your daily calorie needs and macronutrient ratios. You can use an online calculator or consult with a healthcare professional to determine your individualized calorie and macronutrient needs. Focus on eating high-fat, low-carb foods. This typically includes foods like meat, fish, eggs, dairy, nuts, seeds, and non-starchy vegetables. Avoid foods that are high in carbs, such as grains, legumes, and most fruits. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, and it can also help prevent constipation and other digestive issues that may occur when starting a keto diet. Get enough electrolytes. Because the keto diet is low in carbohydrates, it can cause you to lose electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, through your urine. Make sure to consume enough sodium, potassium, and magnesium to prevent electrolyte imbalances. Consider supplementation. Some people may benefit from taking supplements, such as a multivitamin or MCT oil, to help them meet their nutrient needs while following a keto diet. You can download the free keto diet meal plan and recipes here.